Aren't sure yet if the carbon dioxide will eventually leak from the ground, but if that can be prevented, Pacala believes the Sleipner model could be mass-produced and CO2 levels drastically reduced.
It's going to give us an additional bridge to the future so that we can get to a different sort of an energy system sometime at the end of the century.
Whether it is carbon sequestering in Norway, solar power in the U.S., or wind farms in Great Britain, technology is one solution. Making better use of natural resources is another. Halfway across the world, in South America, Brazil is using its most abundant crop, sugarcane, to produce ethanol. Ethanol, most commonly used as a gasoline additive, reduces the amount of CO2 cars release into the atmosphere. Brazil is now the world's leading producer and exporter of ethanol, and as a result, it has completely weaned itself off of foreign oil. But yet another challenge for Brazilians and the rest of the world lies here, in the Amazon rainforest, which plays a vital role in scrubbing CO2 from the air. More than 5 million acres are lost every year to loggers and farmers in the Amazon.
Countries around the world are starting to realize that if we really want to deal with climate change, we've got to have something to slow the destruction of rainforests as well.
Ecologist Dan Nepstad believes that the future of the Amazon lies in part on an emerging new market called carbon trading. Under the Kyoto Protocol, nations that don't meet their CO2 emissions reduction goals must buy carbon credits from countries that do. That creates incentives to comply with Kyoto and penalties for violating the terms of the agreement. South American nations are proposing that they receive extra carbon credits if they can show they are preventing deforestation and preserving the Amazon's ability to clean CO2 from the air. These countries, and ultimately